Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can upload a video on your Wix website. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go and log in with your Wix account and open up the classic Wix editor. Once you're over here, you're going to click on this plus icon in the left. Click on this search bar. And you have to search for a video. So we have a single video players, Wix video, and transparent video. So you have to select single video players and just click on that, or you can either drag and drop to here. Once the video is added to your page, you're gonna click on it and click on change video. Now, either you can change it from the YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Dailymotion, and Twitch. So I'm going to change it from my PC. So I'm going to click on upload button. Now, once this dialog box will be open, you're going to click upload media and choose your video. After that, click on add to page, and your video will be replaced. So this is basically how you can upload a video on your Wix website. And this is it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.